Hey everybody! Hi everybody, it's Caribbean Andy. Welcome back to another cocktail video. Today we are going to do our last tiki drink, the Zombie. The Zombie was created in the 1930s by Donn the Beachcomber, and it's probably his most famous cocktail, maybe the most famous tiki cocktail there is. Trader Vic, you know, the Mai Tai is really his signature drink. The Zombie, that is really the first thing you'd associate with Donn the Beachcomber. So like a lot of our drinks, there's been many different variations and interpretation of this drink over the years. The original one's very similar to the Jet Pilot that I did at the beginning of the month. What we're going to do today is the 1956 version of the Zombie. And for that, obviously, I've tweaked that recipe a bit as well. So we're going to start off with rum, and a lot of it. This drink is designed to be high proof, and originally was served with a limit of 2. This particular 1950s version was originally served at the Donn the Beachcombers in Waikiki. 1 ounce of Appleton. So that's a blended aged Jamaican rum. We'll do 1 ounce of our Hamilton 151. So this is an overproof Demerara rum. Similar flavor notes between the two of these, but the Hamilton is going to have a bit more of that like deep, rich molasses flavor, and is obviously a lot stronger. Then we're going to do, staying true to 3 rums, but not actually using gold rum. I'm going to use a white rum, which you could use any Puerto Rican rum. In this case, I'm doing 1 ounce of my Maggie's Farm white rum. This is a little bit more flavorful, a little bit funkier than like a Bacardi or a Cruzan. And then we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce. I can never open this bottle. You would think I would pre-open it, pardon me. 1/4 ounce of Falernum. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Half of an ounce of grapefruit juice. One ounce of pineapple syrup. Three-quarters of an ounce of Luxardo Maraschino. We'll do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, and then I'm just going to spray a bit of absinthe, maybe. Gonna spray a bit of absinthe right into my tin. And then normally grenadine would be used, but just to add a little bit more red color, we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of Campari. Healthy shake. Strain it over our crushed ice into a Zombie glass. Do our crouton stuffed lime boat. With some lemon extract. And here's our Zombie. Oh, it's slippery. This is how I'm gonna die. I'm not tasting this. I'm not tasting this fire hazard. Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, I would say there's a reason Donn the Beachcomber was very successful. Here goes my mustache. This is fantastic. It's definitely the last thing I'm going to be able to do today, but yeah, I think that this is the best zombie recipe. Bye. Oh, make sure you subscribe. Ah, there goes the fire.